welcome to our channel Login Apps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to use the timer feature in TikTok while recording video. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, let's open up our TikTok app first. Let's pause this. Since timer facility provided by TikTok is available on the camera of our TikTok app, so to enable the camera or go to our camera, you must go to the record feature, which will be used to record any awesome content for TikTok. So let's go to record, and you can see the record button on the bottom middle of our phone. Let's tap record, and we will suddenly land on this interface. After landing on this interface, on the right corner of your phone, the fifth option is the timer. So let's tap there. So you can set a timer to 3 seconds or 10 seconds depending on you. So we are recording only a 15-second video on 3-second timer. Let's start recording and let's see what happens. And record it. So there you see, guys, 3-second timer, use of the 3-second timer while recording, and let's use the 10-second while recording. So let's again go to our camera and let's go to our 60 seconds and let's tap on the timer like this, and let's select the 10 seconds. Let's tap here. You can see the video length is 59 seconds from here. Let's start recording. There you see, guys, our timer has started from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and recording. And let's discard it for now. So there you see, guys, using the timer feature provided by TikTok to capture content is this easy. And if you have any questions or comments regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.